If you're wondering what lead magnet is, what it takes to set it up, and why you need it in your business, this video is for you. Hi there and welcome, I'm Nadia, and I've been building websites, setting up online courses and sales funnels for my clients in the last 5 years, and I'm here to shed some light on all things digital products and systems for your online business. In this video, we will talk about lead magnets, what they are, why we need them for our businesses, how funnels work, what elements go into a funnel, how to turn our leads into paying customers, and where essentially share your lead magnet. For this video, I've prepared a little presentation for you so it's easier for you to visualize and see how lead magnets work and how to set them up. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, first things first, let's talk about lead magnets and understand what they are and why we need them for our businesses. Alright, lead magnets is essentially it's a marketing tool that generates leads by offering valuable information or resource or discount or a product. It also can be a giveaway in exchange for their information. There are several types of lead magnets for service-based businesses. It could be guides and ebooks, templates, webinars or workshops, some mini service or training video, checklists, quizzes, surveys, service guides, and all that. For product-based businesses, we can use coupons, mystery discounts, free shipping, product samples, product picker, also a quiz, giveaway, or also offer loyalty programs. So the next question would be, why our businesses need a lead magnet? So why does your business need the lead magnet? Let's break that down. So in the perfect world, of course, a lead magnet will not be needed if we just assume that our ideal clients come straight to us and ask for our services or products. But unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. So we need to create something valuable first to attract our clients, right? So in reality, again, we need to put ourselves in front of our potential customers first, present our product or service in hopes for them to say yes to our offer. But also a reality that our potential customers may or may not be ready to buy, and oftentimes they are actually not. We need to help them move from the interested stage to the action taking stage, okay? And for that, we need what? A freebie or a lead magnet. For the next stage to understand how lead magnets work, lead magnets, they are always kind of a part of a funnel. Whether it's a very simple funnel or a complex funnel, it's always going to be a part of a funnel. So first, we may be found on social media, right, through content marketing, through our reels and videos. We also can be found, or our business, if we put out any blog posts, right, or podcasts, then also that can be found on Google or Yahoo search engines, and through pretty much any type of content that is searchable on the internet. After that, once our potential lead, not the customer yet, the potential lead goes through the stage of being interested and curious about the content that we've created, we need to prompt them to opt in for our freebie, right? And for that, we will need a page and a form. After that, there's an option for us to just create a simple thank you page, link to download our freebie or lead magnet, and that pretty much can be the end of our mini funnel. However, if you want to take it to the next level, you may want to offer something special, maybe a discounted product that usually, like say you sell it for $50, but only on this page, on the thank you page, it will be available for $20. Then, as I mentioned before, the content delivery, it could be either on the thank you page or in the email. It could be an email campaign with several emails, or again, if you are just starting out and just gonna want to get the basics, then one email will be sufficient to just deliver the content, whether it's a link to the video or a link to download the PDF or whatever was promised on the opt-in page, okay? So let's recap our funnel. There are 5 key elements in the funnel, and again, it's a landing page or a pop-up window. That page or window has to have a an opt-in form where your leads can put in their name and email. The next step, though, the next stage will be a thank you page. As an option, you can add a one-time offer. The next step number 4 will be lead magnet delivery, which is the content delivery. And an advanced version, if you want to take it further, with the email campaign automation, where you have several emails automated, basically communicating with your lead, maybe introducing yourself, telling your story, and essentially building the foundation for all future offers. And it really depends, again, it really depends on the strategy, but these are the pretty much 5 key elements. On the next one, let's talk about how we can turn leads into paying customers. One of the biggest mistakes I see small business owners make is that they would build a lead magnet, trying to guess what will work, build out that lead magnet, whether it's a video, PDF download, or a quiz. And after that, they would think like, oh, okay, so what now I can offer, on the bigger scale, right, as a paid offer. When in reality, it should work the opposite. You should be having an idea of your service, of your product, and then kind of work your way backward and see what you can create with a lot of value that people can obtain for, and that will be your freebie or your lead magnet. At the end of the day, if your lead magnet and the offer do not relate to one another or do not correspond with each other, it will be very, very hard to convert your leads into customers, because your offer is not essentially what they are coming for. You will end up attracting leads that are not your ideal clients. And of course, let's talk about the places where to share your freebie or your lead magnets. The first one is your email signature. If you're already actively communicating via email, add your freebie to your email signature. If somebody wants to know more about your services and you respond back and there's a freebie, they may not go for your services, but they may be interested in getting something for free from you, and this way you will get their information and get them on your email list. The next one, if you have a website, you can add a pop-up window on your website. It can be on a specific page or the entire website, but anytime somebody visits your website, say on the exit or after like 3-4 seconds, a window will pop up with the offer to obtain to your freebie. The next page where you can share your freebie is the About page if you have a website. Again, oftentimes people want to know your story, where you're from, what you're up to, and this is a great place to share your freebie. And finally, a business card. And no, business cards are not dead. They're actually quite effective still, even in 2024 going into 2025. You can add a QR code on your business card, maybe just on the back, to download your freebie. So, because again, you just never know where your next lead or customer is going to be coming from. And also, if you have an opportunity to be a guest speaker or collaborate with other business owners, it doesn't hurt to add your free resource to their campaign or see how you can work together and how you can present your freebie. And of course, I wanted to use this opportunity to present my free resource, which is all about lead magnets. It's Lead Magnet Essential Checklist, where you can learn a vital 5x5 formula for creating your first lead magnet to grow your email list and build a foundation for your future offers. So if you are watching it from the desktop, just use your phone to scan the QR code and navigate directly to the page where you can download it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you still have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I will respond to all of the comments as soon as I can. That was it for this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.